All right, welcome back, my dear student. So we have created a task model and a task controller. All right. Now keep in mind that our tasks are not going to have a home page since we are going to be displaying them here and displaying them according to each project. So just wanted you to know that. So we're gonna create. Let's go to our task controllers here. I'm gonna take the home view and that out and just have the tasks and the task model available. So we're going to create a function or a method, should I say, right, that will display that specific task, right? So let's just create one here so that way we can see stuff from our um, just say task ID. Actually, let's just call it ID. That's fine for now. No, let's call it task ID. So indecisive, gosh. All right. So first of all, we need to transfer this to a view, right? But we'll create a display view later on. Right now, we'll create this variable here, and then cause we already know this, right? We know how to create a model call from the controllers, right? So I don't have to explain what we're doing here. Get task, all right? And we'll all right, very similar to what we did in the project model, right? We got this one get project and this one is going to be get task. All right, so let's make sure we do that, and then we're gonna say data, of course. Oops, I believe this is called main view. And then we'll assign it a string with the name, layouts, and then tasks. Actually, let's look at this. Actually is the name, tasks, and then display. That's gonna be the view. All right, let's check real quick the project controller projects. There we go, we got the display. Okay, it's gonna be very similar to this. All right, I just wanted to show you. All right, as a matter of fact, now that we're here, let's just take this real quick. Okay, so let's go to, this is the project controllers. All right, let's go to our task controller and let's paste that right here. Make sure that you put your semicolon there. All right, beautiful. All right, so now we got to go and create a project, a file, a folder on the views folder there called tasks. Let's create this task. All right, enter. And actually, yes, yeah, we did it. It just didn't show me, but we got it right here. And we're gonna do something very similar to what we got right here. Okay, so let's create here. We're gonna have the first one we're gonna have is display. So we're gonna create a new view, display.php. There we go. And let's just put something here. Task display view. All right, and let's go to our task controller. All right, now we don't have this specific method right now. inside the views folders where we put the display.php, which is going to be the view for each individual task. All right, so keep that in mind. That's what we did. And we also loaded the task model right here in the autoload.php inside the config folder. All right, so anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture.